Hi, today I'm going to share a brief tutorial on how to use the guided access feature on an iPhone. This is my daughter. She is the light of my world and she is great, but just like other babies, she is also very curious. So she really loves using my phone. So this is a great feature that will allow a user to only temporarily be able to use one app, for example, a baby-friendly app, and can also prevent the user or baby from being able to access your social media, etc. It doesn't prevent in-app purchases, but that feature is available through other settings. So the steps are to simply go to the settings button, which looks like this gear right here. Then you go to general under that screen and you'll see another gear. Next, you head to accessibility, and finally, or near finally, this button, guided access, is actually located near the bottom of that screen under accessibility. And you simply press this button right here. So what it'll allow you to do is to only see a single app. The next step, well, this is just an extra. This passcode setting will allow you to use 4 to 6 numbers or your thumbprint to prevent really anyone other than a baby even to access your phone outside of that one app. So in order to use it, you'll simply triple click the home screen or the home button, which is located where this arrow is pointing right here at the bottom. Or you can use the guided access button, which looks like a little lock. And to disable, you simply do the exact same thing again. Thanks for listening.